Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Funding Pips MT5 on PC. For that, first of all, you need to come here on metatrader5.com. Now over here, simply click on the option of download MetaTrader 5 for Windows if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac OS or Linux, you can also select these options respectively. Now, once the setup of MT5 is downloaded successfully inside your device, you just have to simply click on the option of login. This way you will be landed on the connect to account page or the login page. So in order to basically log in here with the help of your MT5 credentials, you need to first of all log in into your Funding Pips account. Over here, when you click on the option of your account, you are going to see the account that you have with Funding Pips. So you need to simply just click on it. Now when you click on it, you just have to look for the option that says credentials. So over here, after clicking on the option of credentials, you will find your MT5 login credentials. So you need to use them in order to basically log in into your Funding Pips account on your MT5 inside your PC. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.